What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Kevin. Today I'm in Nice. Gonna walk through maybe Old Town Nice and maybe go check out a show or something, but yeah, have a look. First I might go get a bite to eat, you know, maybe something like this, but yeah, I'll go find somewhere to eat. The teddy bear is up there on the shop. It's the best time to be outside, when you get to come check out all the restaurants with all the food. Everybody enjoying a good meal. All the different restaurants, all the different cuisines. Have a look at this. The Bangkok. There's always like one cool street to come check out. And this is always one I always like coming down because you got all the different smells of all the different restaurants. And it's always such good food, always around here. There you go. Frogs for dinner? No. Some of these restaurants look so cool. I mean, just like all of them. Incredible. Imagine having your lunch up there. It'd be pretty cool.
Non, mais fatigué, toi, non? Le pain toasté me tombe bien. Oh, ça c'est bon, ça. On va bien le saumon, là. Ça c'est bon, ça.
Look at that bagel. Time to dig in. Alright guys, I'm gonna try something different. I'm gonna go check out this Viking spectacle, we'll call it. I don't know. And it's like an hour long, and I think it's like a virtual reality thing. I don't know if I can film it, but yeah. Alright, go check it out. Should be interesting. Alright, I'm gonna go check this out and see what it's all about. But
alors moi j'ai 3 places et il faudrait que je vous donne tout. Si ça vous dérange pas, je vais prendre le téléphone et je vais calculer.
well, I've ended up in a museum for the Vikings. All talks about the exploring through the Mediterranean. Even got the pirates' gold right there. Pretty cool. I'll go check this all out. Yeah, it's a bit dark. I'm always talking about going for food and stuff like that. Have a look at this. Sit at the table. Sit at the table with the Vikings. Yeah. I was looking and it says here it takes a lot of patience to do the structures. And look at what I've done. Yeah, I completed it. All the rocks stacked. That's what I'm talking about. A helmet. Give me a sword. I got me a sword. I'm looking like a Viking now. Wow, is this ever crazy? Well, I got me a spot here, right under the Vikings thing. Oh, Lord, look at this. Incredible. Have a look at this setup. It's too bad the light can't pick it up any better, but it's pretty crazy. Got me a big old sword. Cool.
sont beaux, je suis...
Allez, essaye, mais peut-être. Allez, vas-y, t'arrives à les attraper? C'est mal plein, les filles. Ouais. Attends, je vais prendre le deuxième, chérie. Tiens. Attends, viens.
C'est ça.
So, who's worthy of Thor's hammer? Yeah,
Ça parle déjà, mais dans 2 minutes,
I am.
Ouais, ça
Oh,
commence.
that's heavy.
Ah oui.
Even behind me. It's amazing. I keep stepping into these different rooms, and look at this place. Oh, the floor. Alright guys, I finished walking through the Viking kind of museum, and now I'm in a Formula One store where they got all the merch for everything from Aston Martin to Ferrari, everything all here. I mean, they got Lewis Hamilton, they got Leclerc, they got everybody in here. Kimi Antonelli's jerseys, got McLaren's, everything all here, all the hats. Check this out. Here's an original Formula One tire for 3,000 euros for a Pirelli tire. That's so cool. It's time to get me an ice cream. I gotta go find a shop that's selling ice cream. Guys, have a look at this center here. It's just everywhere. Restaurants, 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 restaurants. So cool. But I'm gonna go get me an ice cream somewhere, maybe down here. Alright guys, gotta say, excellent day out here in Nice, and just on my way back to the beach, and I'm gonna go get my scooter and head on back home. But have a look at all the people down here walking on the beach today. Amazing amount of people. And if you look at the beach, everybody's sitting on the private beach here, enjoying the beautiful weather today. Absolute gorgeous out here today. But you can see how many people are out here. It's one place on a sunny day that I just love coming down and going for a walk, because I mean, it's such a beautiful place, and just to come out and do some people watching, man, it's all here. And the beaches are packed already. And it's not even the middle of April yet. And yet, there's so many people down here. And look, another private beach. All having their dinner, their lunch, appetizers, enjoying in the sunshine. And it's like 26 degrees today. And then just right next to it is a non-private beach. And then next to that, private beach again. But yeah, the views are incredible out here. Even got a guy singing here. This ought to be classic.
We've been together, lovers at first sight, in love forever. It turned out so right.
Check him out.
Strangers in the night. The night. Come on.
Hey guys, I just want to say thanks for watching the video today. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm just out for a walk today and having a different adventure, and went to check out a Viking kind of virtual reality thing, and yeah, just came for a walk down on the beach and enjoy. If you like that video today, guys, subscribe. If you haven't already subscribed, just click the button, it's free. You guys want to share it with a friend? Always appreciate that. Thanks for watching from beautiful Nice.